Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to do unboxing of lawn mower, battery or lithium battery operated lawn mower that I purchased from Temu. So let me see, it was very cheap, around 40, I don't remember the exact, but around that range I had purchased it. So when you open the front packet, what do you see? I see a blade. Okay, keep hands and feet away, of course. In fact, more than one, two blades I see. Okay, a lithium battery to run the tool. Okay, this holder, this is the main action button that you do, and this is where all the action takes place. And I have Allen wrench and some connectors here, including some screws, and this final holder. Okay, and what's this? Wow, more looks like blade, but anyway, I'm gonna assemble this and we're gonna proceed. Yes, there's a charger also to charge the lithium batteries. In the step 1 of assembly, I just attached the battery near the handle, and this is the safety lock. So when you want to use it, if you directly try to press this, it won't go, but you have to press this, and then let me show you. Press this. You hear it? Okay. Right now I have not attached any blade, but I'm going to attach soon. Now the next step is to remove this screw so that I can actually attach. So they have given a special tool. Okay, with this you can remove the screw. So I'm going to do this. It is also adjustable. With this you can see that I can increase and decrease the length. So depending upon your height and your preference, you can adjust this length. The screw has been removed. I am going to remove this also, so that I can actually fit this cover over there. After that, you can place the blade here. I mean, first this one cover, then blade, and now I'm going to lock it with the screw and the tool. Now it is ready, and you got a demo. Now I'm going to give you the real demo when I'm going to cut grass with this, okay, my lawn, and then you tell me how the performance is. So I'm ready, and I'm going to give you a small demo, okay. Okay, maybe I need to tighten it even more. Okay, so let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.